Health experts today are shedding light now on a new problem, the rising number of cases making it harder to conduct contact tracing. Our Shira Matsuzawa has more on that for us. Shira?
Mark, I spoke with Brandon Atkins with Central District Health today. He says contact tracing reduces the risk of others in the community getting unnecessarily exposed to people who have been infected by the coronavirus. But because they are seeing this surge in cases, it's hard for them to keep up.
They continue to contact trace, but they have to really prioritize the highest risk populations.
Contact tracing. It's something you've probably heard a lot about since the beginning of the COVID-19 outbreak. But now, as our cases in Idaho surge, Central District Health's Brandon Atkins says we all have a personal responsibility when it comes to keeping each other safe.
Well, we talked about it enough. People should know within our community that if they have tested positive for the disease, they have COVID-19, they've been infected with coronavirus, that they need to be isolating and quarantining, and they need to be contacting people that they could have put at risk.
Earlier this month, 4 public health districts sent out a news release saying case surges have created backlogs and delays for their disease investigation teams. And despite teams working diligently, it's impossible for the health teams to contact all new reported cases.
It could be anywhere and everywhere, and people need to continue to utilize the strategies that have been provided for them, the social distancing, face coverings, and appropriate hygiene.
In a statement, Southwest District Health Program Manager Ricky Bowman said in part, "We are unable to follow up with each individual through contact tracing efforts due to the sheer volume of cases and the limited bandwidth of our staff. We do not see a slowdown in case rates." And with no slowdown in sight, Atkins says the community needs to step it up. And that starts with a change.
We have to change the behaviors. We can't continue to say, well, it doesn't matter, we're in a small population. If that's the mentality that people continue, we can expect to see more and more people getting this illness. And unfortunately, we're going to see more and more people die, unnecessarily in most cases.
Last week, Governor Brad Little announced the Idaho National Guard will help medical facilities during the pandemic, and one of those tasks involves contact tracing. Atkins says he's not sure how this will play into the public health jurisdiction, but he does know requests for assistance will first need to be made. Meantime, school administrators as well as school nurses are also helping with contact tracing to try and ease some of that burden. Mark?
If you test positive, don't keep it a secret. Let folks know. All right.
Be transparent.
Shara, thanks.